They produce mainly raw materials, and our minerals depend entirely on foreign companies for their exploration, for their development, and for their exportation. So we are given licenses of one sort or another, royalties of one sort or another, and we are satisfied with the royalties. This is the problem. And they had tried in 1980, they talked about the Lagos Plan of Action, how to industrialize the continent. They talked about an industrial decade, but they talk without implementing. That's why we are saying that they lack courage. You identify the problem, and you see all these minerals that Africa is producing, but then you do not benefit from your minerals. Now they are in fact mortgaging the future of the country. You will see a country will say, this country, come and build the bridge. And then BOT, you will build, operate, and transfer. So it means that for the bridge to operate, you are going to operate it. All the monies that come from it goes into your coffers for 100 years. And then they transfer it. By that time, those who have signed those agreements are gone. That's what we call mortgaging the future of the continent. When integration of African economies could have led to an investment bank owned by the African countries that will be able to build that bridge, and that money will go back into that African bank in order to finance development in African countries. It's different from that money going into a foreign bank that they will use again to come and build one structure, and for 100 years you will be paying back what they have built. So we are mortgaging the future of the continent by virtue of our lack of courage. That lack of courage must be fought by leaders who are ready to liberate the continent, by ensuring that we do not only liberate our individual countries from poverty, but we work together to build a continent that is united in will, united in mission, united in structures, economic structures, so that we can finally ensure the liberation of the continent.